This video is an installation overview. For detailed instructions, use the manual. The King Dome is designed to be permanently roof-mounted. The following instructions are for permanently mounting to the roof of your RV or travel trailer. Open with care. Confirm the contents of your package. Prepare your tools. There are many fasteners that can work. It's up to the installer to choose the appropriate fastener. Remove and discard the tie strap, plastic spacer, bolts, and washers. Insert plugs into holes that were occupied by the shipping bolts. Choose your location. Make sure the cable connections are facing the rear. The antenna unit should be mounted on the center line of the vehicle and not tilted more than 2 degrees in any direction. Avoid positioning near other objects on the roof, as this will interfere with satellite signal. Fasten the mounting feet of the King Dome to the roof. Make sure you're using roof-compatible sealant and the appropriate fasteners. Ensure the 4 mounting feet are securely fastened. Now plug the external power harness into the wiring port on the back of the antenna. Tighten connection until it clicks past the detent lock. Make sure to fill ends of the external coax cables with supplied dielectric grease. Connect the coax cable to the main port. Hand tighten only. If your vehicle isn't pre-wired, you will have to drill a 3/4 inch hole through your roof above the receiver cabinet. Drill a small coax hole. Route coax and power harness and feed into vehicle. The cable entry cover provides a waterproof seal around any exposed wires. Apply your preferred roof-compatible sealant to the cable entry cover. Fasten the cable entry cover to the roof using sealant and appropriate fasteners. Make interior connections as shown in the owner's manual. Call King Service for assistance. If you have any difficulties, contact us at kingconnect.com/connect. Enjoy your new King Dome.